I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT to read a text aloud for any purpose. The text just has to be readable by ChatGPT. I use PDFs for this one. So this text I got from New York State Department of Education website, English Language Arts exam, 6th grade. And it was for a student that does not like to read, and he had to read the text multiple times. So you also see here it has line numbers. That's going to be important in a second. So I downloaded the file to my downloads folder. Then I came to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to add the file. And then I'm going to put in the command, type in story, cracking code purple, and then read the story aloud. So I put in, type in the story, and then read it aloud so that it would take out these line numbers, because otherwise it's going to copy everything that is in the text, and then it will also format it in such a way that it'll put in the pauses and will read it aloud like it's a human voice. So that is why I did that. Okay, so now it's finished. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this icon here that says read aloud. And there's going to be an echo because the program I'm using does not have sound in the browser, but you'll get the idea. You will be able to hear it. So I'm going to click on read aloud.
Hash Cracking Code Purple by Anna Ochchi. The Purple Solution. On a warm afternoon in September 1940, a young woman sat at her desk on the second floor of the munitions building in Washington, D.C. Her hazel eyes peered through rimless eyeglasses at strings of letters and numbers.
So I stopped it by clicking on the read aloud icon so that it could stop. So as you can see, there was an echo. However, when you do it, you won't have the echo. So that's how it's done.